Students, welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Rua from M&A Education Academy of Literature, and these days we are covering some important MCQs related to Indian writers which are very important for any of the competitive exam that you are appearing for. This is part 5 of the same. We have already covered 40 question and today we will start from question number 41. Let us start the video now and see what the first question says. The first question is about the poet Nissim Ezekiel. Nissim Ezekiel's play Nalini is a tragedy, comedy, romance or historical play. So the correct answer is comedy. The correct answer is comedy. The play Nalini is a comedy. The most ambitious full-length play of Nissim Ezekiel, Nalini, consists of 3 acts and the play is a social comment with its interesting, witty dialogue. So Nalini is a comedy. Let us move to the next question and see what the next question says. Who is the author of the novel Painters of Science? The correct answer is R.K. Narayan. The Painter of Science is a 1976 novel by R.K. Narayan. Please आप years को बहुत अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. Next question. Who wrote an introduction to R.K. Narayan's novel The Financial Expert? द फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट का इंट्रोडक्शन किसने लिखा था इन चारों में से? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ग्राहम ग्रीनी. फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट एक 1952 का नॉवल है बाय आर के नारायण एंड इट इज़ ए नॉवल विद 2-page introductions by Graham Greene. Graham Greene was an English novelist regarded by many as one of the leading English novelist of 20th century, and he happened to be a good friend of R.K. Narayan as well. Let us move to the next question. Who is the financial expert in R.K. Narayan's novel? तो R.K. Narayan's novel financial expert में financial expert है कौन? That means कि titular character कौन है? तो the title character is Mr. Maragya. In R.K. Narayan's novel The Financial Expert, the protagonist of the story is named Maragya and the plot revolves around his rise and also, I must say, his fall. Next question. The University of Leeds conferred the degree of D.Litt on R.K. Narayan in which year? The correct answer is it's not 1977. This is a wrong option. Correct answer is 1967. 1967 he got an honorary degree from University of Leeds. The University of Leeds was the first to confer upon the degree of D.Litt honors in 1967. So 1967 is the correct option for this question. Let us move on to next question. Who says the urban theme forms an important stream in Ezekiel's poetry? The correct answer is Linda Hess. As per Linda Hess, the urban theme is a significant feature of Ezekiel's poetry. Dr. Linda Hess is a scholar, writer and a lover of Kabir as well, and she began her travels in India in 1960s and has been studying the Indian poetry in a very deeper manner. Next question. In which of the following novels of R.K. Narayan Malgudi was first created? This is a very good question. The answer is Swami and Friends. Starting with his first novel Swami and Friends, जो कि लिखी गई थी 1935 में. Again आपको इसका year याद हो जाएगा. Almost all novels and most of his short stories take place here only, that is Malgudi. Let us continue to the next question. What the next question says. Who is the man-eater in R.K. Narayan's novel The Man-Eater of Malgudi? तो कौन सा कैरेक्टर है जो कि टाइटुलर कैरेक्टर है इनमें से? द करेक्ट आंसर इज वासु. वासु इज evil incarnate in the twisted tale and the man-eater of Malgudi actually, and this is a 1961 novel. A 1961 Indian novel written by R.K. Narayan. In this novel, R.K. Narayan uses the myth of Bhasmasura. आपको ये नॉवल ज़रूर पढ़ना चाहिए अगर किसी ने नहीं पढ़ा है तो. इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस नॉवल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फॉर विच ऑफ द For which novel did R.K. Narayan receive the Sahitya Akademi Award? This question has been discussed in my video. The correct answer is The Guide. The novel brought R.K. Narayan the 1960 नॉवल 1958 में पब्लिश हुआ था ऑल्दो, और ये अवार्ड 1960 में मिला था जब साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड की शुरुआत भी हुई थी. दिस इज़ दी फर्स्ट साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड एज वेल. ओके, एंड इट इज़ गिवन बाय साहित्य अकादमी, द नेशनल अकादमी ऑफ लेटर्स. सो आपको 2-3 क्वेश्चंस पता चल गए. एक तो द गाइड किसने लिखी थी, दूसरा द गाइड पब्लिश कब हुई थी 1958 में, थर्ड 1960 में इसको अवार्ड मिला था, एंड दिस वाज द फर्स्ट एवर साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉल्ड अ कन्फेशनल पोएट. अब कन्फेशनल पोएट्स क्या होते हैं? वो सभी पोएट्स जो इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करते हैं, रेट्रोस्पेक्ट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ को, अपने खुद के एक्सप्रेशन, अपनी लाइफ का रिवोल्यूशन देते हैं. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज कमला दास हेयर. द कन्फेशनल पोइट्री इज द पोइट्री ऑफ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, सेल्फ एनालिसिस, सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन, सेल्फ रिवलेशन. Kamla Das is primarily a confessional poet, and in this context, she may be regarded as a remarkable Indo-Anglian poet comparable to the American poets such as Sylvia Plath. Sylvia Plath भी एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है in confessional poetry, तो she can be compared to Sylvia Plath as well in terms of being a confessional poet. So here the video ends. You can contact us at the given numbers to join our online offline classes. Thanks a lot for watching the video and best of luck for your exams.